second example is a Fortune 500 industrial equipment company. And this challenge was a little different. They were more established with their PLM, their processes, but the challenge was we do a lot of change requests, and how do we make that process a lot faster? So we built with this team a change review process where as soon as the change was raised inside of the PLM tool or their homegrown system, they would bring that into Colab with all the files they needed. That would bring the team together, do the review, get the approval, so that that part of the process was much faster. And that rolled across a number of offices globally. The second piece then was, hey, we'd actually like to catch these changes in Colab and start it right from the shop floor when they happen. So something we don't talk a lot about is a mobile application that we built, where you could be on the shop floor, building a prototype, doing an actual production build, and just catching pictures of what the problems are. And those things get put in the Colab system and tracked the exact same way. So in this case, someone like Mexico could capture a problem. This photo would then go back, create the ticket immediately for the engineer. Engineer can link it to the model, say, hey, what about this fix? So what used to take weeks to just come back and upload photos is now instantaneous. And then in the third example here, we're now in COVID. So traveling plants, getting involved with your team, seeing the actual problems with changes has gotten much, much harder. So what we're doing is actually doing a virtual cost reduction event, helping them take 20 or 30 massive CAD files, a bunch of drawings, documentation, and people all over the world into one virtual hub where they can walk through everything they've done and then create ideas of how they can make that thing more cost effective. And in the end of this, there's several hundred ideas and likely multi-million dollars worth of changes that can be saved for this next prototype build.